want to show you how you can calculate with Napier's bones. They go from 0 to 9. I have the 9 bone here with me. It's double-sided. But it's just showing you the multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. And they stop at the 9th multiple of 9, which is 81, because there's no number larger than 9 in base 10. And so with the digits 0 to 9, you can do any calculation at all. Okay? So I'm going to model how you would do 831 times 25. So here in the tray I have my 8 bone, my 3 bone, and my 1 bone. And when I combine them, I have 831. So I'm going to write 831 times 25. The way I'm going to actually do this is I'm going to think of it this way. 831 times 5, and I'll combine that product to 831 times 20. And once I bring those together, that'll be the sum of 831 times 25. Okay, so 831, I go down to the 5th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as I see the 5th row, I see a 5 in this diagonal, I see a 0 and a 5 in that diagonal, I see a 1 in that diagonal, and I see a 4 there. So I'm just going to kind of isolate those for a second so you can kind of see that. So you're looking at 831 times 5. So I'm just going to write that product down. There's a 5 there. There's a 0 plus 5 there, so that's 5. There's a 1 plus 0 there, so that's 1. And there's 4 there. So the product of 831 times 5 is 4,155. Okay? Now I'll do 831 times 20. And that means I'll use the 2. So I'll block that diagonal off. And I already know that I need to add a 0, so I'm just going to put that 0 in place there. Then going across here, I'll see a 2 there. I'll see a 0 and a 6 there, which is 6. Another 0 and a 6 there, which is 6. And then I see a 1 there. Okay? So now all I have to do is take 16,620 and add that to 4,155. I like to show my places. Sometimes that's helpful. 5, 7, 7, 10. Regroup. Okay? So we have this 20,775 as the product of 831 times 25 on Napier's bones. There you have it. Simple. Thank you.